a very nice fragrance moisturizer and also one of my favorite. Though it doesn't recommend it for oily or extremely oily skin type, which I do have, but it is my favorite because of its fragrance. It is too good. So if you're new to here, then this is my channel where I share everything regarding my experience with the products, my experience with DIYs and craftings, paintings, which I really love, decorations, and also educations. So let's get started and be a family of artists glamorous by just clicking on the state subscribe button. So in this video, I'll be talking about none other than the well-known Vaseline Cocoa Glow Moisturizing Creams of Glowing Skin, and this smells amazing. I always keep on smelling and I really love it. Now let me tell you about my skin type. I have extremely oily T-zone and extremely oily skin type. Though this product is so much moisturizing that it doesn't work so good on my skin type, but in winters I tend to get drier skin types where it really works nice. Reviewing this product, I have used this product, not that I just don't go on cleanse, that you all might be knowing, I just don't go on cleanse, I use the product after using it. So I've used most of the product and the used stuff, and the smell is amazing. That makes me feel really good and satisfying. So let's get into the packaging first, because I always use the product after reading the ingredients, so I am sharing recommending you all to read the ingredient list first, then both this doesn't comes with any outer packaging, then go and use the product, because you will be knowing what is inside the product, what you are giving in your skin, and also you will be knowing that if you are allergic to any of the ingredients which I will read right now, then don't get this product, because if you are allergic to any of the ingredients, so many people are allergic to glycerin, many acne prone skin people, many people are allergic to cocoa, many people are allergic to salicylic acid, many people are allergic to coffee too. So in that case, I read the packaging, so you don't go with this product if you have any issue with any of the ingredients that I listed. So yeah, first let's get started with reading the packaging.
So this is a new Vaseline Cocoa Glow Moisturizing Cream, as I have been using this from a long time. So you can see the condition of the packaging which occurred. The color of this is very nice, because it reminds you always about the coffee, and on this is the same typical packaging of Vaseline, and you can see all the Hindustan level products in the top. Like if you have seen the videos on other moisturizers like the Himalayas, the packaging is quite similar to this. I can understand, I previously have done the video and comparison between L18 and also the Lakme Enriched Lip Crayons, where I have shown that the Hindustan level production, they always have Unilever production, they always have the same packaging reusing by the other brands. So you can see Vaseline moisturizing cream with cocoa glow. The ingredient list, the base ingredients, water, which makes it appropriate to apply on your face even though in summer. But yeah, if you have oily skin, then only it will be very difficult for you to be using this. Like it also contains petrolatum, palmitic acid and stearic acid, mineral oil, glycerin, glycerol, stearides, cetryl alcohol, theobroma, cocoa and cocoa seed butter, and also potassium hydroxide. So here you can see it is DMM hydrotoin perfume is there, and they also have methyl parabens, propyl parabens, disodium EDTA, xanthan gum, caramel, butyrospermone, and pocky shea butter, that is shea butter, okay, that is the scientific name, benzoate, butyl phenyl methyl propionyl, coumarin, hexyl, cinnamol, hydroxy citronellal, linalool, and these are all the ingredients. If you have any allergy to any of these ingredients, do not purchase this. And this will be very moisturizing, obviously, because of the ingredient list, and I have been using this, so I know it is moisturizing. The net volume of this packaging which I bought is 250 ml or 245 grams, and this is a Unilever production, this is an inorganic product, and the pricing of this is 230 rupees, and you can get discounts if you are buying it online, and it has a shelf life of 3 years. I have purchased it in around December 19, and it was manufactured in 919, and 821 has a expiry of this. So you can see this is a simple packaging. It is an inorganic product, obviously. If you are someone who is allergic to like sensitivity, you have sensitive skin, then this product will not be a good option for you. If you have active acne, this product will not be a good option for you because it contains chemicals and obviously an inorganic product. Parabens, it also contains parabens. The smell is amazing. I've used most of it and some is left. The color, I don't know whether the camera is catching it well or not. It is not white in color, it is beigeish in color, and it kind of look like a chocolate light mousse. So you can feel the fragrance, and the fragrance is the first thing which makes me buy it every time, because I have extremely oily skin, but I purchase this because of the fragrance, and also because my skin becomes very dry when I'm like in winters. It becomes very dry. So there's a cocoa beans, you can see. It also comes in many other sizes of the packaging. So Vaseline has a wide range of moisturizing cream. We all know that. It also comes in vanilla fragrance and the cocoa one. So and it also has that aloe vera also. So if you have oily skin type and if you want to go with this inorganic Vaseline, then you can also go with the aloe vera one they have. But if you have dry skin type, then this can be a wonders for you in summer and also in winters.
So now my review on this product. I have been using this from November or December, and so I have used a lot. In summer I am not using this because I have oily skin type. So if you guys have oily skin type, don't go with this when you in summer. In winter, if you have dry skin type, then only go with this. If you have combination skin type, then also you can go with this in the drier months like the winters. If you have normal skin type, definitely go with this, no issues with that. Use less quantity. But if you have dry skin type, this product can really do wonders to your skin. In summers, if you have extremely dry skin type, then you can go with this. If you have dry skin type, then also you can go with this. In winters, if you think that you have extremely dry skin, then also you can go with this. Use a double coat of this, which will keep you very relaxing. This is not only just works as a good day cream, this doesn't contain any SPF into it, but it also can be a good option for night creams. In winters, I use this as a night cream, which works really great on a coat all over my face with 2 coats. But in summers, whenever I feel the day is so much tiring and my skin is not that healthy and glowing, I use this because this has cocoa. So cocoa makes your skin more glowing and clear also. So that is the best property of cocoa. And many of you don't know that. Let me tell you, cocoa is the bean from which we get chocolate. So obviously the smell is amazing, just like chocolates. And use it. It contains pure cocoa, so that is a very good. So you can get the benefits of chocolates. So use it as this way, so you can get the glowing and healthy skin. But if you have extremely oily skin type and you are using it in the summer, and also if you have extremely oily skin type and after using this you feel very greasy, your pores will be clogged with that grease, and that time you will have the problem of acne. If you have acne skin type, then don't go with this product. If you don't have acne from skin type, if it doesn't have side effects on this, then you can go with this. If you have sensitive skin types, you can try this out, but this price is a little higher also, so it is not so budget friendly, but you can try this out. Then you can like go for this. First you use it and see what it affects on your skin. Give a patch test if anyone has that cream nearby you or at your home. Give a patch test and then go and purchase it. So that was my opinion and my review on this product. Though everyone's skin type is different, might should someone and might should not someone this product, but I feel this product is genuinely too good. Whatever it recommends, it does soft and glowing. I feel that it's true. So dry skin people, these are really wonders to your skin. So go and get this. Yeah, that was all for this review. Hope you felt it a little helpful. If you did, then please hit on the like button. That encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable content for you. To share it with all your friends, recommend below your opinion regarding this video or any other video contents you wanted us to make. And there are a lot of comments which I already got about the product. I am taking little time because I don't go on clearance. I use the product myself, then I review them. So give me some time to just see what it affects on my skin type, then I will review them too. So give me a little time. Share it with all your friends, mainly those who have dry skin types. This can do wonders in the summer also. Yeah, that was all for this video. Subscribers, be a part of our campus family. Stay blessed, stay happy, stay safe. And if if you're looking for a good non-oily, non-greasy moisturizer for people having oily skin type in summer, then I have done a lot of moisturizers, so you can check those out. The Barbie Herbal Oil Control Moisturizer is a very good option in budget. You can also go with the one which I am using right now, is the Himalaya Nourishing Skin Cream, light and non-greasy one. You can also go with Pond's Gel Moisturizer, which I just recently completed it. I have reviewed it on the channel. You can check a lot of moisturizer because I have oily skin type, so I have made a separate playlist on oily skin type. Go and check this out.